What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a brand new mod on the 370Z Nismo, and this is probably going to be my most expensive cosmetic mod to date. And what that's going to be is we're going to be installing some brand new carbon fiber door handles that cover pretty much both sides. Basically it's a carbon overlay onto the aluminum door handles. Like I said before in previous videos, I'm not a fan of the aluminum, so I've been planning to get these for a while. I pretty much blacked out all the aluminum I could, like the side markers, the emblems in the back as well. So I want to give you guys a little look at how the carbon fiber door handles look. So I got these from alliancecarbon.com. They're pretty much a website that just makes a bunch of cool parts, specifically carbon parts for 370Zs and similar cars such as Infinities and whatnot. So yeah, I got these on their site. They're a little bit pricey. They're definitely not cheap. They're around $220, and it does take a bit of time for them to make them and ship them out. This one took about 5 weeks, I would say. But yeah, it's real carbon, as you can see from the inside. It's super lightweight, really nice looking. It's pretty shiny in the light right there. So you get this big handle piece, and then as well as the little piece that you actually put your hands on to open the door. So the cool thing when you buy from Carbon Alliance directly is it comes with some pre-installed slices of 3M tape on the back to basically secure it onto the door handles. Although I'm not entirely sure if this is going to be enough. It's only two little thin slits of 3M tape, so hopefully they'll do the job. I don't think I'm going to add any more just because I feel like they added what they need to, since if I added some right here onto this side, I feel like it would probably make the door handle stick up a little bit, and I don't really want that to happen. So I think I'm gonna just go ahead and just see if this is enough. So the first step you're gonna want to do just for the preparation is you're gonna want to get some alcohol or even just some like water, and get a paper towel, and you're gonna just want to clean the surface of the door handle and maybe a little bit around it, just to make sure this 3M tape sticks on well, and so you don't have to replace it in the future. So once you got the surface of the door handle all clean and prepped, next thing you're going to do is take off the 3M tape that's already applied and then just simply stick it on. Okay, so 3M tape is off, and so we're going to go ahead and start applying this. So the best way I think to do it would be just to try to line up the button on the door handle, just because that's probably your best reference point, and it should just click on pretty easily as well on the outline of the door handle. So once you got it on there, you just want to hold it for a bit, apply pressure on the points where the tape is located, just to make sure it sticks on pretty good. Alright, that's on there pretty good. Now we're going to go ahead and install the second part, the smaller part of the door handle. So there's 3 pieces of 3M tape on the back as well, so just go ahead and take those off. 3M tape is off, and the door handle is a little tricky to figure out which one goes on which side, so just go ahead and take both, and you can just gently place it over it just to make sure it's the right side. It should be pretty easy to tell though, because it fits on really well. And boom, there we have it. We got one side installed, and it looks really good actually. I aligned it pretty well, pretty much no mistakes at all. Although since there's only 2 pieces of 3M tape on the bigger part of the door handle, the top kind of fidgets a little bit. They probably should have added one maybe along the top as well, because I don't know if you can see here, it kind of moves a little. But I mean, it shouldn't be a problem. It's not like you're going to be touching this a lot, especially since you're going to be touching only this center part right here. So it shouldn't be an issue. And it is carbon fiber, so it's really lightweight. So just for a little comparison, obviously this is the carbon door handle, and let's come to this side, stock aluminum door handle. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below which one you guys prefer. Obviously I prefer the carbon. I'm just not a fan of aluminum, so yeah. So now that we have this side finished up, we're gonna go ahead and go to the other side, the driver's side, and finish that side as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did on the other side. We're gonna get some alcohol and some paper towels, and we're just gonna clean up the entire door handle just to make sure there's no dirt or any residue left that would impact the stickiness of the 3M tape. The only difference between the passenger side and the driver's side is going to be that the driver's side has a keyhole right here. And the reason I went with Alliance Carbon is that when their carbon fiber door handles actually accounts for the keyhole and makes a hole for it, versus other companies like Evo R, which is where I was originally going to buy my door handles from. But I noticed they don't have a keyhole, and then I found out about Alliance Carbon, so I decided to go with them instead. But yeah, so it's pretty much gonna be the same thing though. And it's just nice to have that keyhole just in case emergency situations where you need to use a key because for some reason your battery's dead or something. It's nice to have. So same thing, take off 3M tape and apply. And there you have it, fully installed carbon fiber door handles. Looks really good. It'll look a lot nicer in the sunlight too when it's reflecting and you can see the carbon pattern. Although there is something, I will be honest, the fitment, although it looks perfect, it does not function very good. As you can see right here, it's pretty hard. Honestly, it's kind of scary opening the door every time because I don't know if it was either maybe mine's a little defected or it's just carbon, because carbon isn't always perfect. It kind of scrapes a little bit trying to open the door. I don't know if you can see, it's already even starting to get some scratches right there. I don't know if you can see that if I zoom in, but yeah, like literally, like there's already scratches right there, a little bit right there, a little bit down there. It's just, I don't know, it's a little hard because I guess because the carbon overlay increases the thickness of the door handles, therefore it just kind of scrapes against each other, which is a little annoying and a little unfortunate, but nonetheless it's still functional. I can still open it and close it. It's just probably over time the scratches are going to get a little worse, but you know, those are just minor details. From afar it's probably always going to look good. Nonetheless, I'm really happy with this mod. I've been looking forward to doing this mod for a while just because the door handles on the Z is a pretty prominent piece along the side profile. You know, it takes up more space than the average door handle on a car. So I was really looking forward to this, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Just wished it functioned a little bit better, it fit a little bit better, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. Nonetheless, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I want to thank you guys for watching and sticking around. I really appreciate if you guys drop a like and comment down below of what you guys think of the carbon fiber door handles, and if you would want them on your Z, if you have a Z. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.